Welcome to our commerce classroom. Now we are discussing about the very important part of UGC NET examination strategy, that is previous year question papers. Let us begin with our discussion to the solved paper 1 conducted on June 2016. Option A, blackboard writing. Option B, questioning. Option C, explaining. And option D, all of the above. The answer is option D, all of the above. Next question, which of the following statement is most appropriate? Option A, teachers can teach. Option B, teachers help can create in a student a desire to learn. Option C, lecture method can be used for developing thinking. And option D, teachers are born. Answer is option B, teachers help can create in a student a desire to learn. Next question, the first Indian chronicle of Indian history was option A, Megasthenes, option B, Fahian, option C, Yuansung, and option D, Kalhan. The answer is option D, Kalhan. Next question, which of the following statement is correct? Option A, syllabus is a part of curriculum. Option B, syllabus is an annexure to curriculum. Option C, curriculum is the same in all educational institutions affiliated to a particular university. And option D, syllabus is not the same in all educational institutions affiliated to a particular university. Syllabus is a part of curriculum. Next question, which of the following options are the main task of research in modern society? First task is to keep pace with the advancement in knowledge. Second task, to discover new things. Third task, to write a critique on the earlier writings. Fourth task is to systematically examine and critically analyze the investigations sources with objectivity. Answer is option A. Option A comprises of to keep pace with the advancement in knowledge. Second one, to discover new things. And third one, to systematically examine and critically analyze the investigations sources with objectivity. Next question, match the following. Here we have two lists. List 1 is the type of interview and list 2 is the meaning of that interview. You have to match these items. Okay, let us match these items. Structured interview is matched with predetermined question. Unstructured interview is matched with creative flexibility approach. Focused interview is matched with attention on question to be answered. And clinical interview is matched with individual life experience. Next question, what do you consider as the main aim of interdisciplinary research? The main aim of interdisciplinary research. Our options are to bring out holistic approach to research, to reduce the emphasis of single subject in research domain, to oversimplify the problem of research, to create a new trend in research methodology. Option A, that is to bring out holistic approach to research. Next question, one of the aims of scientific method in research is to. Options are option A, improve data interpretation. Option B, eliminate spurious relations. Option C, confirm triangulation. And option D, introduce new variables. The answer is option B. Eliminate spurious relations. Next question. The depth of any research can be judged by. First option is title of the research. Second option is objectives of the research. Third option total expenditure on the research. And last option duration of the research. Our answer is option B, objectives of the research. Next question. The function of mass communication of supplying information regarding the processes, issues, events and societal developments is known as. Our options are option A, content supply, option B, surveillance, option C, gratification and option D, correlation. Answer is option A, content supply. Next question. The science of the study of feedback systems in humans, animals and machines is known as. Our options are cybernetics, option B, reverse communication, option C, selectivity study and option D, response analysis. The answer is option A, cybernetics. Cybernetics is the feedback system in humans, animals and machines. Next question. Networked media exist in interconnected. Options are option A, social environment, option B, economic environment, option C, political environment and option D, technological environment. Yes, our answer is option D, technological environment. Networked media exist in interconnected technological environments. Next question. The combination of computing, telecommunications and media in a digital atmosphere is referred to as. Option A, online communication, option B, integrated media, option C, digital combine and option D, convergence. Is option D, convergence. Next question. A dialogue between a human being and a computer program that occurs simultaneously in various forms is described as. Option A, man-machine speak, option B, binary chat, option C, digital talk and option D, interactivity. Our answer is option D, interactivity. A dialogue between a human being and a computer program that occurs simultaneously in various forms is described as interactivity. Which of the following conclusions is logically valid based on statement given below? Statement: most teachers are hardworking. Conclusion: some teachers are hardworking. And conclusion 2: some teachers are not hardworking. Our options are only conclusion 1 is implied, option B, only conclusion 2 is implied, option C, both conclusion 1 and 2 are implied, option D, neither conclusion 1 nor conclusion 2 is implied. Yes, our answer is option C, both conclusion 1 and 2 are implied. Next question. Who among the following can be asked to make the statement in Indian Parliament? Our options are any MLA, option B, Chief of Army Staff, option C, Solicitor General of India and option D, Mayor of Delhi. Our answer is option C, Solicitor General of India. Solicitor General of India can be asked to make a statement in Parliament. Next question. Which of the following conclusions is logically valid based on statement given below? Statement is, most of the Indian state existed before independence. Our conclusions are, first conclusion, some Indian states existed before independence. Second conclusion is all Indian states did not exist before independence. As our options are option A, only conclusion 1 is implied, option B, only conclusion 2 is implied, option C, both 1 and 2 are implied, option D, neither conclusion 1 nor conclusion 2 is implied. Our answer is option B, only conclusion 2 is implied. Conclusion 2 is all Indian states did not exist before independence. Next question, water is always involved with landslides. This is because it, option A, reduces the shear strength of rocks, option B, increases the weight of the overburden, option C, enhances chemical weathering, and option D, is a universal solvent. Our answer is option B, increases the weight of the overburden. Next question, given below are two statements A and B followed by two conclusions 1 and 2. Considering the statements to be true, indicate which of the following conclusions logically follow from the given statements by selecting one of the four response alternative given below the conclusion. Thus, here we have two statements. Our statement A is all businessmen are wealthy. Second statement is all wealthy people are hardworking. And also we have two conclusions. Our first conclusion is all businessmen are hardworking. Second conclusion, all hardly working people are not wealthy. So our options are only one follows, only conclusion 1 follows, option B, only conclusion 2 follows, option C, only conclusion 1 and 2 follows, option D, neither one or conclusion 2 follows. Our answer is option A. Option A means only conclusion 1 follows. Only conclusion 1 is all businessmen are hardworking. Next question, using the website to pour out one's grievances is called cyberventing, cyberranting, web hate and web play. Our answer is option A, cyberventing. Next question, in web search, finding a large number of documents with very little relevant information is termed option A, poor recall, option B, web crawl, option C, poor precision rate, option D, poor web response. Our answer is option A, poor recall. Poor recall means in web search, finding a large number of documents with very little relevant information. Next question, the concept of connect intelligence is derived from option A, virtual reality, option B, fuzzy logic, option C, Bluetooth technology, and option D, value added networks. Our answer is option D, value added network. Next question, use of an ordinary telephone as an internet application appliance is called. Use of an ordinary telephone as an internet appliance is called option A, VoiceNet, option B, voice telephone, option C, voice line, and option D, voice portal. Our answer is option C, voice line. Next question, video transmission over the internet that looks like delayed live casting is called virtual video, option B, direct broadcast, option C, video shift, and option D, real-time video. Our answer is option D, real-time video. Next question, which of the smallest northeast state in India? Smallest northeast state in India. Our options are option A, Tripura, option B, Meghalaya, option C, Mizoram, and option D, Manipur. Our answer is option A, Tripura. Tripura is the smallest northeast state in India. Next question. Tamil Nadu coastal belt has drinking water shortage due to option A, high evaporation, option B, seawater flooding due to tsunami, option C, over-exploitation of groundwater by tube wells, and option D, seepage of seawater. Our answer is option D, seepage of seawater. Seepage of seawater is the reason behind drinking water shortage of Tamil Nadu. Next question. While all rivers of peninsular India flow into a Bay of Bengal, Narmada and Tapti flow into the Arabian Sea because these two rivers. Option A, follow the slope of these rift valleys. Option B, the general slope of the Indian peninsula is from east to west. Option C, the Indian peninsula north of the Satpura ranges is tilted towards the west. And option D, the Indian peninsula south of the Satpura ranges is tilted towards east. Our answer is option A, follow the slope of these rift valleys. Next question. Soils in the Mahanadi Delta are less fertile than those in the Godavari Delta because of option A, erosion of topsoil by annual floods. Second option, inundation of land by seawater. Option C, traditional agricultural practices. And option D, the derivation of alluvial soil from wet soil hinterland. Our answer is option A, erosion of topsoil by annual flood. Next question. Which of the following institutions in the field of education is set up by the MHRD Government of India? Our options are option A, Indian Council of World Affairs, New Delhi. Option B, Mythic Society, Bangalore. Option C, National Bal Bhavan, New Delhi. And option D, India International Center, New Delhi. Our answer is option C, National Bal Bhavan, New Delhi. Next question. Assertion A. Air soils have potential for modifying climate. The reason is air soil interact with both short waves and radiation. Options are both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Option B, both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not correct explanation of the assertion. Option C is assertion is true but reason is false. Option D, assertion is false and reason is true. Our answer is option A, both assertion and reason are true, and the reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Next question. SITE stand for. Full form of SITE: System for International Technology and Engineering, Satellite Instructional Television Experiment. Option C, South Indian Trade Estate. And option D, State Institute of Technology and Engineering. We all know that the full form of SITE. Yes, our answer is option B, Satellite Instructional Television Experiment. SITE means Satellite Instructional Television Experiment. Next question. What is the name of the research station established by the Indian government for conducting research at Antarctic? Our options are option A, Dakshin Gangotri. Option B, Yamunotri. Option C, Uttara Gangotri. Option D, none of the above. Our answer is option A, Dakshin Gangotri. Dakshin Gangos 3 is the research station established by the Indian government for conducting research at
Ministry
Antarctica.
of Human Resource Development HRD includes first option Department of Elementary Education and Literacy, option B Department of Secondary Education and Higher Education, option C Department of Women and Child Development, and option D all of the above.
Our
Next
answer
question,
is
Parliament
option
can
D,
legislate
all
on
of the
matters
above.
listed in the state list. Option A with the prior permission of the President. Option B only after the Constitution is amended suitably. Option C in case of inconsistency among state legislatives. Option D at the request of 2 or more states.
Our answer is option D, at the request of 2 or more states. Okay, dear friends, let us conclude this session of questions and answers of paper 1 2006 June conducted by UGC. Dear all, study well. Let us crack UGC NET.